Good afternoon to student. Today we are discussing about refrigeration and air conditioning. First of all, what do you mean by refrigeration? Refrigeration is a process of reducing and maintaining the temperature of a body below the general temperature of its surrounding. Here is the definition. You have to write down the notes. Then the unit of refrigeration is ton of refrigeration. TR, its short form is TR. 1 TR is the amount of refrigeration effect produced by the uniform melting of 1 ton of ice from and at 0 degree Celsius. Here is the mathematical expression. 1 TR equal to 232.6 kilojoule per minute, but in actual calculation purposes we have to take 210 kilojoule per minute. Okay. Then we have to discuss about coefficient of performance. COP, its short form is COP, coefficient of performance. It is the ratio of heat extracted from the refrigerator to the work done on the refrigerant. Its mathematical expression is COP equal to Q by W. Then we have to discuss about Bell-Coleman cycle. It is also known as reverse Brayton cycle. This is the diagram, line diagram of a Bell-Coleman cycle. You have to draw it. First of all, it consists of 4 components. First one is cooler, second one is compressor, third one is refrigerator, fourth one is expander. In early days, this principle is adopted for refrigeration process. But nowadays, in refrigeration process, we have to utilize the vapor compression refrigeration cycle. Here is the diagram. Simple vapor compression refrigeration system. This is the line diagram of vapor compression refrigeration system. It consists of 4 important parts. First one is evaporator, second one is compressor, third one is condenser, fourth one is expansion valve. First of all, the refrigerant absorbs heat from the evaporator, that means cooling chamber. Then it converts into gaseous form, that means vapor form. Then the low pressure vapor enters into the compressor. In compressor, the temperature and pressure of the refrigerant increases, and then the refrigerant enters into the condenser. In condenser, the refrigerant rejected the heat which will be absorbed in the evaporator, and then it enters into the expansion valve. In expansion valve, the pressure reduces, temperature also reduces, then it enters into the evaporator to absorb heat again. This is the basic principle of a vapor compression refrigeration cycle. Then we have to discuss about various conditions of vapor compression refrigeration system. Here is the condition, you have to note down it. First one is cycle with dry saturated vapor after compression. Second one is cycle with wet vapor after compression. Third one is cycle with superheated vapor after compression. Fourth one is cycle with superheated vapor before compression, and the last one is cycle with subcooling of refrigerant. Here is the TS and pH diagram, temperature entropy and pressure enthalpy diagram. You have to write down the notes and draw the diagram. Here is a sample problem. You have to note down it and practice it at home. Thank you student.